Oftentimes, you need a simple tool for quickly cropping images. Photoshop is expensive, it takes up gigs of disk space, and it's too complicated for basic photo editing. I'll show you how to work around this challenge. Visit Gimp.org and download this wonderful free tool. There's versions for PC, Mac, and Linux. Open the program. Remember to use copies of your valuable images so that the originals don't become edited. Drag any image from your computer into Gimp. If your image has an embedded color profile, click Keep to maintain it. To preserve the canvas size while adjusting the image, click on the Scale tool right here. Now click and hold the left mouse or touchpad button and then drag the image to scale it until it's the way you want it. The dotted yellow border indicates where the final image boundary will end. Now press the Enter key to finalize the scaling. As another option, click the Crop tool to make a crop. Click and hold the left mouse or touchpad button and then go ahead and draw a white line around the area to be cropped. Hover your pointer over the sides or the corners to go ahead and fine-tune the cropping. Press Enter to commit the size. Any mistake you make can be undone by going to Edit and then selecting Undo. Once you finalize the image you want, click File, then click Export As. From Places, decide where the image will be saved. Give the file a name and then manually add the extension you want to it. Gimp will intelligently save to the correct file format. Then click Export. Then click Export again. And you're done. I hope you've benefited from today's gift. If you found this video useful, please feel free to share it with family, friends, and colleagues. Bye for now.